become when I heard you and he was screaming out of control. All I can think about is no, 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 he won't hurt the one I kept for so long, long. And no, I know we're done and now it's none of my concern, but how can to be winding up from all weeks and going now just makes me feel that what we had was real. Could it be or is it too late? Oh, oh, baby, baby, listen to your heart, won't let you down, 'cause you should be my lady. Now that we're apart, love will show how. Like carries on. Never felt so strong, like it lead us to a happiness never ending. If we just know that we belong to each other, never worry about as we go. See you in your wedding dress. I can see you in your wedding dress. I see you walking down in your dress. I can see you in your wedding dress. Oh yeah. I was never perfect, no, but I never let it go. To a point I'm reaching though and making you uncomfortable. What didn't it say you was unacceptable? You claimed everything was okay, that's impossible. Just know I'm here for you, I'm clean for you from now to sun. Caught up in near to you, the feel of you gives me a rush. It makes me feel that what we have is real. It can never be too late, oh yeah, yeah.